Hey, good morning. It's Steve with Clean Grillin. What do we do every day? We earn every damn day with energy, enthusiasm, drive, determination. That's the double EEDD mindset. I'm here in Fresno, California today, and I'm getting ready to do this beautiful Firemagic E790 and the side burner. We're gonna get them all repaired. We're gonna replace the push button igniter on the side burner. We're gonna replace the temperature gauge. We're gonna adjust the knobs here. They're a little tight. We're going to replace the flavorizing grids inside. Also a new valve, put a new valve on because it froze shut from non-use over the years. And then also an igniter, almost forgot about the igniter. As you can see, we look it up. Dirty inside. We're going to get this baby cleaned up for them. They just bought this house. They want to get it all ready for the summertime. Summer's right around the corner. We're already going to be at 85 degrees today, and we're going to get this all done. When I get done, I will put the video all together, show you what we're doing, and then also if you can, subscribe below to my channel and for any tips and tricks or anything like that. So let's get started. All right, here we go. We're looking on the inside. We're gonna get these flavorizing grids all done. You can see they're all cracked and all done in here. Everything else works in here really good. We've got this valve over here that's frozen. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get this temperature gauge done here too. Once we're all done, we'll clean it all up inside, get it all pretty and everything. And then over here on the side burner, we got the push button igniter to get done. Also on here too, we're gonna adjust the knobs here too because they're a little sunk in, so we're going to get them all kind of done. When we get all done, we'll get some more videos going and pictures. All right, you can see we're all dirty down here. We'll get all these burners all cleaned up and everything and get it rocking and rolling. All right, here we go. We got our steamer out right here. This is what gets the barbecue clean inside and gets it all ready to go and gets it keeps the mold out and everything like that. You can scrub it all you want, but it's hard to get all the crusty stuff out. This steamer right here with this little bristle brush right here will get everything clean, and basically we just hit it and go. Clean everything out right here. Get everything ready to go on the inside. We go to town with it and we get it done. All right, lights are working inside. We got the new plates inside, new temperature gauge. We do have to replace the thermocoupler inside, which is down in here, down the bottom, because this one's not lighting up. Looks like a mouse ate through that wire and then got in here, and this is giving errors. This is brand new, so it should be okay. So we need the whole new thermocoupler underneath, which we're gonna order and replace. It's burning nice and hot right now. We also got the burner going, the side burner. This thing is kind of making a bunch of noises inside because those plates are starting to expand a little bit, but everything's looking good so far. Hey, here we go. It's the afternoon now and I'm all done. It's all complete. Barbecue is clean inside and out. Lights are working. Burners are burning hot. We got the side burner all working now. Push buttons working. We polished up everything around. Doors and drawers, cleaned off the top. It's looking brand new. It's got a new temperature gauge in it right now. It's reading. I turned the alarm off on it because it was going off because the thermocoupler inside needs to be replaced. We're going to get that replaced for the customer too. And then we're all set. Oh, we got one valve over here that needs to be replaced. They sent me the wrong one. I'm sending that one back. I'll get it at the same time as the thermocoupler. So everyone have a great day. This is Steve with Clean Grillin. Remember, earn every damn day with energy, enthusiasm, drive, determination, the EEDD mindset. We're in Fresno, California today, and I hope everybody has a blessed day. Call me at 559-901-8050, cleangrillin.com, or email me at steve@cleangrillin.com. And there you go.